So oxygen is definitely important that we measure oxygen with cardiopulmonary exercise testing. Super vital to be able to get some of those, insights and clues into where somebody's at with their fitness and their training or their health. Um, and so looking at their exercise capacity, oxygen is a great value to measure, obviously. But often we leave out carbon dioxide. There are several other products and things that don't measure carbon dioxide, and even Core sells some devices that we don't have carbon dioxide in. So they're great at giving us a snapshot of where we're at in terms of our fitness. It's kind of like a bod pod or a DEXA scan or bioelectrical impedance. It gives you a snapshot of where they're at right now, but it doesn't give insight into where they have been, where they need to go next, and where the problems are coming from. And that's what CO₂ gives us. CO₂ provides those essential clues into what may be going wrong with the system. It tells us exactly how we have been training, and then lets us know what we need to do in terms of training moving forward to get the adaptations that we want. And so CO₂ is a vital, vital thing to measure with cardiopulmonary exercise testing so that we can really dive into that person's body and what it's doing and how it's doing it so that we can make better decisions about how to help them exercise and moving forward, as well as weed out, is this a cardiac problem, is this a pulmonary problem, is this a metabolic problem? Those things we can weed out if we have CO₂ data. Without CO₂ data, we have no idea where their limitations are coming from. We can measure whether or not they're limited, but we can't measure why they're limited or where those limitations are coming from.
Yeah.
So that's why CO₂ is so critical when we're testing kind of at that higher level.